So let's show you the ingredients. First up here we have white school glue. I'm using Elmer's because everybody uses Elmer's. And then we got the shaving cream. And then the saline solution for activator. And today we're going to be making butter slime. So I Model Magic and some glitter. Let's get started. White school glue, if you can get it open. And pour in as much as you want. Just know that that is not going to be the size of this slime. Then pour in your shaving foam. And that also you can do as much as you want. There you go. And then you mix that together. Sorry, that's my dog. And then you pour in your glitter if you want to. I'm using this gold holographic glitter. Here, let me show you. Gold holographic. And I'm going to pour that in. There you go. And mix again. And I'm not going to be putting in food coloring because I am using colored Model Magic for the butter slime. And now you're ready to activate. So with the activator, you gotta pour in a little bit at a time. So I would add in like a tablespoon at a time, something around there. I usually just eyeball it, so. And then you mix, and it shouldn't come together right away. It should not. Because then it'll be rock hard if it comes together right away. So you just mix that in and then do a little bit more. And then I'll be back. How to know when it's ready to knead is you poke. There are two ways. Either watch to make sure it starts to come away from the bowl, or you poke it and see if it's too sticky. Like I can poke it fine, but if I go slow, that happens. But that's how I like it. And if you want it rock hard, have it rock hard. But if you want it sticky, have it sticky. I don't care. You can do it however you want. I like it in between sticky and just normal. Because I like it like that. And then you start to knead. Did that just... right back when How to know when it's ready to knead is you poke. There are two ways. Either watch to make sure it starts to come away from the bowl, or you poke it and see if it's too sticky. Like I can poke it fine, but if I go slow, that happens. But that's how I like it. And if you want it rock hard, have it rock hard. But if you want it sticky, have it sticky. I don't care. You can do it however you want. I like it in between sticky and just normal. Because I like it like that. And then you start to knead. Did that just... And I'll be right now back. I have it kneaded, and I had to add in a little bit of activator during, so it's still a little sticky because it's first. So it's just made. Now it's time to make it actual butter slime. So use Model Magic or Mad Matter. I like Model Magic better. And take a little bag. Open if you can. I have to use the scissors. There we go. And mix it in with the slime. If you can get it out of the package. There we go. And it will be clumpy at first, like really clumpy. But it will smoothen out a little later after you mix it in better. So it'll feel weird. It'll feel like you only have a few foam beads in it. So it's not like fully crunchy slime, but some. And the color will start to sink in. And I will be right back once it's all mixed in. So here's a mistake on my part. I added in a little bag instead of a big one, so I have to add in another piece of Model Magic, and here's the Model Magic. And next time, I have to add in a bigger bag like this. So yeah, mistake on my part, don't follow it. And here's the finished slime. So it's really nice. I like how it spreads. And it's bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but it's awesome. And a little tip that I mistaked on, if it's a little bit bad to use the littler kind of bags, and then if it's the bigger bag to use the bigger ones, because this is not as smooth as it was supposed to be, but it still works. So comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!